Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to collect leads, feedback, or contact information directly on your Wix website? In this video, I will show you how to set up Wix forms from start to finish. It's beginner friendly, powerful, and super customizable. Let's get started. So, why use Wix forms? Wix forms let you easily add contact forms, surveys, signups, code requests, and more, all without coding. They are they are perfect for freelancers, small businesses, bloggers, really anyone building a website on Wix. Now, log into your Wix account. Open the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Take your time. Now, on the left toolbar, click Add Element from the plus icon. Go to Contact and Forms tab from that from the left panel. Drag and drop any form you like onto your page. Like uh, drag and drop anywhere like that. Adjust the adjust then let's customize your form to match your brand and goals. Things you can edit: fields, add or remove fields like name, email, phone, etc. Adjust the size. And label and placeholders make your form more user friendly. Design: change colors, borders, font style, button size. Click any fields to then settings to edit input type like subscribe, contact, etc. Then layout, design from background. You can select the background color. Then click manage. Then create manage form. Then you can create a subscribe form, contact or about form here. Once someone submits the form, where do their responses go? Step: go to form settings, under submissions, choose where you want to want responses sent, your email or CRM. Click edit. Now enter your first name, last name, email address, etc. Then link. You can add any template from here. Then preview settings. Now you can view all form data from your Wix dashboard. Enable notifications from submission tabs. You can export submissions and click Save Changes. Wix also lets you automate your workflow. Send a thank you email after a form submission. Add the contact to a mailing list. Trigger a chat message or coupon code. Go to Automations tab from the left sidebar. Create a new one. Click Start from scratch. And click Trigger. Like when form is submitted, then send email or alert. Customize the automation flow. Go to scheduled time and apply. Make sure your form looks great on mobile. Click activate. Click publish, or in Wix editor, switch to mobile view and adjust the layout. And that's how you set up Wix forms in just a minute. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And comment below what type of form are you adding to your site. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.